Aboliasion Noda Esipejot Esemero Loco UTC Lira Kesa Potu Ogolo Kinos Bian Akalona Down Aparasha Kanyari Itolosio.
Hello Uganda, today we're here at Lira UCT. We're having a champions with the colleges, and UCC Sorority got the gold and got this as the athletics overall winner, and we are delighted to be the winners of the athletics. We did this game together. That's so we are proud of you. UCC, we are proud. Obulamu.
Patrick Odoch, Uobik, Apollo Kinton, no Aboliasion for UCC Sorority, Esabu Itur, Aboliakake, Kano, Aimor Kikina, Napoti Todoto.
I managed to bring a team of netball for the girls, and I brought a team of volleyball girls and boys, football boys and girls, and then athletics boys and girls. And the performance was not so bad, where in netball girls I emerged the second out of the 9 teams, because it was played in round robin. Volleyball girls I emerged the best team out of the 4 teams that registered for volleyball. And then in athletics men I emerged the best, and you can see the trophy as we have them here.
Akerak, koto Aboliasion kangun, kesa poni, koropai, keda aina na kineta, no agitigita, imorialtos imidalin, UTC Lira, kesa potu, Eteleka si Aboliasion keda isabunita unakan, Gabriel Esiku Nuka TV is, Koibuga Lira.